Hello everyone, and thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make Nigerian pepper soup. If you would like to see how I made this recipe, then please keep watching. For this pepper soup recipe, you can use any meat of choice. I'm going to be using turkey drumsticks. So in a pan, I've added the turkey, some onions and some habanero peppers, and then I added some chicken seasoning, some bouillon powder and salt, and some Aiden fruit. This is also called Prekese. I'm going to combine this together and I'm going to cover the pot and steam this for 5 minutes. You know the turkey is steamed when you see the juice from the turkey in the pot. So I'm just going to go in with some water and I will add some more seasoning and start cooking the turkey. For seasoning, I am going to add Uziza seed powder. I'm going to add some Oda, and I will also add some pepper soup seasoning. You can get any of this seasoning in the African grocery stores. I'll also add some crayfish powder and I will go in with my sweet plantains. I'm also going to go in with some more water because obviously this is a soup and I will want to get as much liquid than I can get. I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to cook this turkey pepper soup till the turkey is soft. And once I check and my turkey is soft, I'm going to go in with some dried Uziza leaves and some spinach. Combine this together and leave to cook for 2 more minutes and the turkey pepper soup is ready. You can serve this alone or as a side with white rice or fried rice. It is very good in the winter season when it is cold. I hope you enjoyed watching the recipe and I hope to see you back on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.